Mastering certain key ingredients and techniques can significantly enhance your culinary skills as a chef. While the list could be extensive, here are some fundamental ingredients and techniques that are essential for any chef to master. Going into the key ingredients, number 1, salt. Different types of salt, such as kosher salt, sea salt, and table salt, have varying textures and flavors. Understanding how to season properly with salt can enhance the taste of your dishes without overpowering them. 2. Herbs and spices. Experiment with a wide variety of herbs and spices, both fresh and dried, to add depth and complexity to your dishes. Understanding flavor profiles and combinations will help you to create harmonious and well-balanced flavors. 3. Stocks and broths. Mastering the art of making stocks and broths from scratch provides a strong foundation for creating flavorful sauces, soups, and stews. Learning the techniques for extracting flavors from bones, vegetables, and aromatic ingredients is essential. Fresh produce. Learn to select, store, and prepare a diverse range of fruits and vegetables. Understanding the seasonal availability of produce and different cooking methods, such as blanching, steaming, and roasting, will help you to maximize their flavors and textures. 5. Proteins. Develop skills in handling and cooking different proteins to perfection. This includes searing, braising, poaching, grilling, and sous vide. Understanding the optimal cooking times and temperatures for various proteins is vital for achieving desired results. Going into key techniques, number 1, knife skills. Mastering knife skills is crucial for efficiency and precision in the kitchen. Learn proper techniques for holding a knife, cutting different shapes, such as julienne and brunoise, and maintaining knife sharpness. This will enhance your speed, safety, and consistency in food preparation. 2. Sautéing and searing. Sautéing involves cooking food quickly over high heat with minimal oil or fat. Searing, on the other hand, involves browning the surface of proteins to enhance flavor. Both techniques require proper heat control and understanding how different ingredients respond to heat. 3. Braising and stewing. Braising involves slow cooking tougher cuts of meat in a liquid until they become tender. Stewing is a similar technique that involves cooking food in liquid for an extended period at low heat. Both methods break down connective tissue and infuse flavors, resulting in rich and succulent dishes. 4. Roasting and grilling. Roasting is a dry heat cooking method that utilizes hot air to cook food evenly and develop a desirable crust. Grilling involves cooking food over an open flame or hot grill grates. Mastering these techniques will allow you to achieve the ideal balance of flavors, textures, and char. 5. Sauce making. Understanding the foundations of sauce making opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Learn techniques such as making roux sauces, like a bechamel, creating emulsions, like hollandaise and vinaigrettes, and reducing liquids to concentrate flavors. Sauces can elevate a dish and tie its components together. Remember, mastering these ingredients and techniques require practice, patience, and a willingness to continuously learn and improve. As you gain experience, you'll develop your own style and adapt these skills to create unique and memorable culinary creations.